when things look out of control, isn't it time for you to take control? You know, to maybe create something that's all your own that no one can take from you. Today, you can take something that you care about and you can find ways to share it with the world that really becomes your own income, your own business.
It's an industry that's at $1 billion a day, heading towards $1 trillion a year. And the cool part is it's not only recession-proof, it's inflation-proof. There are people waiting to learn from you, whether you create a course, a workshop, a membership, a community. If you Google the Fortune 500 companies right now, the majority of them were started in a down economy.
When I started out, you know, we were making things, trying to reach people, and it cost a fortune. But today, with tools, you can take anything you're passionate about and learn how to share it in minutes.
True story.
That would have taken months.
You have an asset in here that's beyond valuable. And once you know how to identify it, package it, and get people to say yes through service, you could launch and scale the business in the industry that we've been in forever.
And we're doing this session to be able to show you exactly how to do it so you can begin. And you'll join about 1 million people from around the world that'll be joining us who are all committed to finding a way to take their life to the next level. So we look forward to serving you then. Blessings to you.